Hello, class. Today for science, we're going to continue our lesson at looking at solutions. Our target for today is I can compare different ways solutions are separated. Today, we're going to go over the videos that we saw last week. So let's begin. Separating mixtures. So if you guys don't remember from earlier in last week, a mixture is often easy to separate into its parts. You can use the properties of the substance in the mixture to separate them from each other. Magnetism. A magnet can be used to separate substances that are attracted to a magnet. Filtration. The process of separating substances with a filter. Filtration can be used to separate some solids from liquids, like sand from water. Filtration can also separate big objects from little objects. And some mixtures of solids and liquids can be separated by evaporations. Let's go ahead and look into these. So last week, we watched the video showing us all the different ways that mixtures can be separated. And one of them was showing us magnetism. In the video, they gave you a cup that had sand and some metal filings in them. And the little girl took the magnet and shook it around, twisted it in the cup, and ended up taking out the just the metal filings, not the sand. Then you had filtration. Filtration is the process of separating substances with a filter. Filtration can be used to separate some solids from liquids, like sand from water. If you guys remember in the video, they used a filter to separate the sand and the water. These are pictures at the bottom of it showing, if you guys don't remember. First, you had the sand and the water. Then he put it all together. He finally poured the mixture into the filter, and then this is what he had at the end. And then you have evaporation. Some mixtures of solids and liquids can be separated by evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas. In that same video with the little kids, the older boy separated some salt water with using evaporation. So this is the little boy pouring the water and the salt solution. And then these are two pictures of the water boiling, but you can clearly see how the salt is separated from the water. So today we are gonna go a little bit further into details about evaporation. We're gonna watch one more video and have a discussion. And I promise you, it's not one of the videos from last week.